We are Team Clarke, Stephen Clarke and Denise Clarke. Originally from the UK, been living in the US the last 13 years. And this weekend has been, I could say phenomenal, I could say transformative. We've done over the last 13 years or more, numerous marital interventions, well-intended conferences, retreats, but I can't find the words. There aren't enough words to describe how literally transformative this has been in like the space of 3 days. This has infused not just hope, not just tools, but it's shifted over a decade's worth of hurt, pain, dysfunction, broken patterns, cycles, in a way I can't put into words. The God piece plus the facilitation, the willingness to work, it's just been phenomenal, absolutely phenomenal. And I would highly recommend this. Don't wait until it's your last chance. Like, get in on this before you get to that. But if you do, we were in our this was last chance for us. We came here saying, I came here thinking, is this really gonna work? We have tried everything. Everything. We were headed for either a divorce or just a lifeless marriage. Both of those have been completely obliterated. We can see such a fresh new vision and hope and possibilities. It's phenomenal. And so, Hassani, Danielle, thank you. And your team, phenomenal. We're lifers. Denise.
Yes, I confirm everything Stephen says, but for my journey, it's been disarming. It's a revolutionary impact on both of us individually and collectively. Yeah. The things Hassani and Daniel had us walk through, and we're doing it together as one. So it forces a connection and a unity when you get here. And I'm just speechless about the impact, because we came here to get results.
Yeah.
And this coming with an open mind, a willingness and a commitment to do the work. And the program they have is revolutionary. I've never seen anything like it.
Nothing.
I've never experienced anything like it. So it's a one-of-a-kind, divine intervention that every married couple going through what we've gone through, what they focus on, needs in their life. Thank you, Hassani. Thank you, Daniel. Thank you, Roland. Thank you to you.
Thank you, Couples Academy. Yeah.